Imagine holding a piece of paper so powerful that an entire nation depends on it every single day. Egypt has transformed part of its currency with state-of-the-art polymer banknotes packed with security features designed to defeat even the world's most skilled counterfeiters. But the greatest mystery isn't what's printed on the money, it's what happens long before anyone can spend it. Hidden behind layers of secrecy, billions are created through a process almost no citizen will ever witness. And once those doors close, every second becomes a battle where a single mistake could cost millions.
Robotic systems rapidly screen cotton fibers. As the scanner maps consistency, scientists monitor the A continuous web emerges as fibers interlock. This engineered material first becomes security paper substrate, the physical foundation for future. As the paper moves through the system, microscopic structural variations are engineered directly into the substrate. The watermark is physically built into the paper itself. A cinematic scientific transformation advances into security thread fusion as the shimmering thread integrates seamlessly into the paper structure.
A cinematic scientific transformation as AI-powered inspection verifies microscopic details, ensuring trust in every sheet produced.
Look at the reflective pigment behavior here. It's stable across the UV spectrum, confirming the consistency. Release. This scientific transformation utilizes precisely aligned printing systems to transfer intricate architectural designs.
What gives printed paper real economic value?
This is where scientific transformation advances into central bank value authorization. The institutional process ensures a manufactured object becomes an officially recognized unit of national value.
The authorization codes are confirmed.
Initiate the release sequence for batch gamma.
Circulation forecasts stabilizing as projected.
This facility manages the entirety of Egypt's currency flow, ensuring liquidity and stability across all major branches.
All units, maintain formation. We are approaching the city center now. ETA 15 minutes.
It's finally happening. So secure. It's a good sign for the economy.
Here you are, keep the change. Give me the large koshari. We take the new currency here. Thank you very much.
The flow into the tourism sector is up 20% this quarter.
We need to ensure the ATMs in the Red Sea region are adequately stocked.
That will be £25. Here you are. And here is your change, thank you.